Alright, so I just finished working and it's the most anticipated time to cook. So welcome to Gio's Digibite Kitchen. Sa mga nagtatanong, hindi ako umiyak. I think this is what happens to my eyes whenever I wear my contact lenses. So, please forgive me. So, what are we waiting for? Time to cook! Oops! Wait, before I forget, before we actually do our special dish for today, don't forget to subscribe or click the bell button to get notified whenever we'll be releasing new videos on Gio's Digibite Kitchen. And don't forget to like or comment if you have any feedback about this video. See you! Kare kare is actually a staple in any Filipino household. But what makes my kare kare very special is it tastes very much like peanut butter because my recipe is like a gooey kind of kare kare where the flavor of the peanut butter is very strong. But here in this household and in my family, we have a mix of preferences. Like some of my family members like it a little blunt, while my sister doesn't eat kare kare, while my tita doesn't eat anything from the kare kare, the ox stripe, the tail, the pata. She only loves the sauce. So whenever I make this dish and I have extra sauce, it automatically gets delivered to her. So please come join me and taste my peanut butter gooey kare kare. Let's go!
Let's prepare our first set of ingredients. These are pata, water, onion, garlic, beef cube, laurel leaves, pepper. In hot boiling water, add your pata and all the ingredients we have mentioned previously. Our goal is to make sure our pata is soft where the skin is jelly-like already. I actually have a tip. When using broth cubes, instead of just putting the broth cube inside the pot, I normally cut it into 4 just so the flavor comes out faster in the dish. So just cover this for around 2 to 3 hours and check if you have enough water. Your last set of ingredients include vegetables, Lily's peanut butter, your choice of bagoong, patis, white onion, garlic, achuete seeds, and magic sarap. I also have a tip. You can use Skippy peanut butter as a good alternative.
I actually have some tips for you when cooking kare kare. The first one is actually don't mix the vegetables with your main dish. Why? Kare kare tends to spoil quicker when you mix your vegetables, so it would be very ideal to separate your vegetables whenever cooking this dish. Second is actually when using vegetables like puso ng saging, eggplants, always remember that these vegetables actually dehydrate quickly, so it would be best to submerge them in water. And whenever people ask me when I cook kare kare, some of my close friends would know this, that I would normally call kare 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 because whenever I get stressed after a long day, I won't tell you what the stressors are. You need some Kare Kare in your life.
And we bring you back to your regular programming. In a pan of hot oil, add your annatto seeds until the oil has turned red. Then transfer this oil to a separate pot using a strainer. Immediately add your white onions followed by your garlic. toss them around until they are fragrant. Next step is to transfer your stock from your pre-boiled pata slices into the pot. Wait for it to boil. Over high heat, it's now time to add your Lily's peanut butter. Make sure to put generous servings of this peanut butter, as this is the secret of our recipe for today. Continuously stir to ensure that the peanut butter has no lumps and desired consistency is met. The consistency we are aiming for is a creamy texture. Stirring can be tiring, but if your sauce already looks like this, it's good to go. Then add some fish sauce and everyone's most loved bagoong. Just make sure to put the right amount of bagoong because kare kare is often eaten with bagoong on the side, so you don't want to overpower it. After stirring that good bagoong and patis, it's now time to add your magic syrup. Stir until all the flavors have combined together. We're almost done. Next step is to transfer your pata slices into your pot. You would notice that there is already orange oil secreted from your sauce. This is a clear indicator that your sauce is now very much flavorful. Yum yum! And the moment we have been waiting for. It's now time to mix the sauce together with your meat. And voila! Here is your kare kare. But things are not yet over. Cover your pot until all the flavors have combined. And here you go. Look at that kare kare. Ready na ba ang kanin? And as mentioned earlier, cook your vegetables separately, starting with your string beans. Just toss them around, stir-fry them until your vegetables become rich green. And do the same for your eggplants. But of course, they don't turn rich green. And finally, cook your puso ng saging in hot boiling water. And once cooked, transfer this to your serving dish for vegetables. And there you have it, your gooey peanut butter kare kare. Congratulations! Kain na!
Thank you.